Embattled U.S. Representative George Santos spending part of his day in a Long Island courtroom. He pleaded not guilty on additional charges related to his federal indictment.
Meanwhile, a group of fellow New York Republicans are taking steps to expel him from Congress. Fox 5's Jody Goldberg has more from Central Islip.
Congressman George Santos was met by furious constituents as he and his attorney walked out of federal court on Friday morning. He blew a kiss and left without commenting. Santos, who wore a sweater and jacket, looked serious, then confident inside the courtroom. He pleaded not guilty to new charges, now a total of 23 counts. He also waived his right to replace his attorney due to potential conflicts of interest.
The case against George Santos that was already overwhelming in the notion of him being dishonest looks like small potatoes relative to the charges that he's facing now.
Prosecutors who handed over more evidence allege Santos stole donors' identities and charged thousands on their credit cards. They also say he filed fraudulent fundraising reports to garner support for his congressional campaign. Constituents in New York's 3rd District call him a disgrace and distraction.
We are left with a liar instead of a trustworthy congressman. We look like the chaos caucus of United States.
The new charges come after Santos's former campaign treasurer Nancy Marks pleaded guilty earlier this month to filing a list of false donors, including at least 10 of the congressman's family members, without permission. She also admitted to inflating his fundraising numbers to get financial help from the GOP party.
You don't come up with 23 federal counts and not get locked up.
And in addition to legal trouble, the congressman faces political problems after a revived effort from fellow lawmakers calling to expel him as early as next week. 2/3 of the House would have to vote for it to happen. Law professor James Sample says the walls are closing in on him.
I suspect that the legal trouble will prove more consequential in the long run for him and will probably end up with him being incarcerated.
A trial date has been set for September 9th, almost a year from now. Prosecutors say they expect it to take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks and requested an earlier date given the seriousness of the charges and the fact that he's a sitting member of Congress. The judge, though, said she had other cases. He's due back in court on December 12th. Outside a federal court in Central Islip, Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.